equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The closure system of the Thermomix TM5 can sometimes fail, leading to issues with the device not sealing properly during operation. This can occur due to wear and tear or a misalignment of components. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further damage or even complete malfunction of the device. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement closure mechanism. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by carefully removing the base cover using the Phillips screwdriver, taking care not to strip the screws. Once the cover is off, locate the closure mechanism, which is typically situated near the top of the device. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the mechanism, using the tweezers if necessary to avoid damaging them. Remove the old closure mechanism by unscrewing it and replacing it with the new one, ensuring it is securely fastened. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage surrounding components. After replacing the mechanism, reconnect any cables and reassemble the device by carefully placing the base cover back on and securing it with screws. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the alignment of the closure system and ensure that no debris is obstructing it. Keeping your Thermomix clean and well maintained will help prolong its lifespan. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.